In this video, let me show you how to fix the Swiggy app not working. So if you come across this issue where the Swiggy application on your phone is not working, let me show you a couple of common fixes that you can try out. The first thing that you can immediately do is try to switch your network. For example, if you're currently on a Wi-Fi network, you can try switching to your mobile data or vice versa. If this first step does not work for you, the second thing that you can try out is try to see if the Swiggy has the location permission or not. So what you can simply do is head over to the settings by tapping and holding the application, heading over to this eye icon. Once you're inside, head over to permissions and make sure that Swiggy has the location option enabled. If the location is not enabled, you're likely going to face issues. Apart from this, what you can also do is head back to the same settings page, scroll down, head over to storage, and then simply tap on the clear cache option. By doing these few steps, you should be able to fix this issue. But however, if the issue still persists, what you'll also need to ensure that you are not using any sort of VPN, because if you are currently using VPN, you are likely going to face issues. The last thing that you can try out is try to uninstall Swiggy from your device and then again reinstall it. This ensures that any sort of bugs which may be causing the issue should be fixed. So that's pretty much it for today's video. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.